Hello, I'm Amber Johnson, your Cheyenne Homes for Heroes real estate specialist. I'm here to give you the short version on what Homes for Heroes is and how it works. So most everyone is familiar with the discounts that local restaurants and stores will give to military members and to many other occupations. Well, Homes for Heroes is just like that, but for real estate. So first of all, Homes for Heroes is a national program that started shortly after the tragic events of 9/11 as a way to say thank you to our nation's heroes during the home buying and selling process. There's 5 hero groups that are recognized: military, law enforcement, firefighters and EMS, teachers, and medical professionals. You do have to work with a designated Homes for Heroes Realtor to participate in the program. That's me. Receive cash money after closing when you buy a home, or receive a discount on real estate fees when you sell a home. On average, Heroes receive $2,400. It really is that simple. No red tape, no hidden fees, and no catch. So give me a call today at 307-640-4355 or go on the web at CheyenneHeroes.com.